students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So today's question is, name the physical quantity which has a dimensional formula LTA, where L denotes length, T denotes time, and A denotes current. Okay. So we have our first option. Let's see. Let's eliminate options one by one. So line charge density, that is the charge per unit volume, that is Q by charge per unit length, that is Q by L, and Q is equals to I into T divided by L. So I is ampere into time divided by L, so L minus 1. So yes, they are not same. So our first option is incorrect. Second option, capacitance. Capacitance is C is equals to Q by V, and Q we can write as I into T, and unit for voltage is kg, and we will write a unit for voltage. Okay, so it is I into T divided by voltage. So unit for current will be A, unit for time is T, and for this voltage our unit is kg meter square per ampere second, kg meter square per second cube into ampere. So this is the unit of voltage and this is a unit of charge. So this will be M minus 1, L minus 2, T 4, and A 2. So this is the unit for capacitance. Now let's see option C is dipole moment. Dipole moment P is equals to Q into D. It is charge into distance, charge into length basically. So charge E we can write as I into T into D. So let's write the dimensional formula for length we will write L, for time we will write T, and for current we will write A. So L into T into A. So yes, our C option is the correct option. Let's check D option as well. D is charge. Charge is equals to I into T. So dimensional formula will be A T. So yes, this is also not our correct option. The only correct option is option C, which is dipole moment. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.